name is Andy Kolar, and welcome to the PAS classroom. Today we're talking about storage. It is critical for percussionists to keep their things organized so that things don't turn into chaos with all the sticks and mallets and equipment that we use. Here are a couple different things that you could try. One is to use these height adjustable metal shelves you can get from any hardware store. They're very helpful because they have all of the built-in slots on top to help keep things organized. So we have two racks that we have things organized by: marimba mallets, vibraphone mallets, bell xylophone mallets, and I also put a label maker with the model number on the sides so that it helps the students know where things are supposed to go. In addition to the rack, I also have some bags that I put here on the side. I have drum set sticks that I don't really care what happened to them, swizzle sticks, the nicer concert sticks. On the other shelf, I have timpani mallets, brushes, and some different wood mallets. On the bottoms, I have bass drum mallets, which I keep in plastic bags so that the felt doesn't get too torn up. And then the other one, I have my chime and gong mallets. These shelves are critical for us to keep our things organized throughout the school year. The other thing that I did that found was very helpful, I just cut off the tops so that they can fit right inside these cabinets. I put a rubber stopper on top so that if need be, I can also put a piece of plywood with carpet on top, so I can use this as an additional trap table. This is just one way to keep mallets organized, but we found it very helpful for us, especially because we put them away in a cabinet. Here is an option for you to store your hardware. Hardware is a big investment for any percussionist, especially schools, and so we want to make sure we protect that investment and keep the stands in good working condition. If you are laying all of your hardware in a pile on the floor, it is super easy for things to get broken or bent. So this is something that I've built to help keep our hardware in good working condition. All of these tubes are PVC pipe. Most hardware stores are only going to carry up to 4-inch PVC pipe. So you normally need to find a plumbing supply store to get 6-inch PVC, which is what you'll need to fit most hardware. They normally come in 10 or 20-foot chunks. So I normally get the 10-foot chunk, take it back to my house. I cut it into 2-foot sections and making sure that I sand the edges because they get a little bit sharp after cutting. And then I take each one and I drill holes through each pairing and I bolt this whole thing together. I have 2 units here. Each one holds 16 stands. Each of this PVC chunk is then put on top of a sheet of plywood, which I put some carpet on top of, and then that sits on top of a table dolly, which I can get from any hardware store. The advantage of that is that this entire chunk is movable if need be. It is fairly heavy, so you may want to remove the hardware if you have to move it very far. But this is a great way to keep these stands vertical so we don't have to worry about pieces laying on top of each other and getting bent. Here is another thing that we do for some of the more miscellaneous needs that we have. These are actually considered laundry tubs from the company that we get them from, but the reason we like them instead of just a regular dolly is because they have sides, which help to keep everything contained. So we have one for our trap tables and trap stands. We also have several that we use for drum sets. We move our drum sets around campus a fair amount, so it helps to have them on wheels so we can move them around as needed.